Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix jump space, not working, crashing, freezing, lagging, not launching, loading or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PC as well as Steam. So for that, open Steam, now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, now click on Windows icon or start option, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC and Steam, and after that, try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam. Now select your game under library section. Here I am showing you the example. After selecting your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you need to type -dx11 and then check if you can play the game. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then type -d3d11 and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where it has been installed, select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and then click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now check if the problem is resolved. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, open Steam, now click on Steam option over here, then go to settings, then click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game. If this is enabled, you simply need to click on it to disable it, and after that try to play the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After that, try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to update graphics card. For that, go to Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update for your drivers, and after that check if the problem is resolved. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link I have already provided in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next is to allow jump space through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here, and after adding it, now select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After this, launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you need to check if there is any update available. Click on check for updates and it will check if any update is there. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if the problem is fixed. Next is to increase virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings option over here, then advanced, then click on change, then select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size, then click on custom, and here you have to enter 12288 in the initial size and maximum size is 24576. So after entering this, now click on set and then OK. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it is suggested that it's to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to close other background process. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you need to find those apps which are of no use and running in the background. Simply select it. After you select it, right click on it and then click on end a task. So this will close the app from the background, and after that try to play the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through the link. After that, download and install Visual C++ files, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. So you simply need to copy it. Here you can find the link. You simply need to click on it, download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install it. Once install, now restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Jump Space game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall the Jump Space game once again and then try to play it and check if the problem is fixed or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.